For those living with major dental issues, it can feel like an impossible feat getting that smile that you deserve. Well, our next guest says it is possible with a minimally invasive procedure. The less invasive, the better. Dr. Harvey Chin is here. He's with Vegas Dental Experts and Mini Dental Implant Centers of Las Vegas. Great to have you back, my friend.
Thank you. Thank you.
No one wants a maximally invasive dental procedure.
Correct.
So tell us about, before we get into the mini dental implants, tell us about yourself and your practice. I mean, you're not new at this. You've been at this for a while now.
Yeah, we've been in practice for 40 years as a general dentist.
Okay.
Doing traditional dental implants, probably 20 years doing mini dental implants. And we've done over 15,000 implants now.
Wow.
And our special emphasis in practice is really fixed teeth to implants in a minimally invasive fashion.
So explain fixed teeth to implants. What does that mean?
Yeah, well, the old traditional treatment would be dentures, where they're removable, but fixed teeth are utilize implants are an attachment to the bone, and we have prosthesis or teeth to attach to it. As an example, this would be the new way, fixed teeth to implants here.
Gotcha.
It's much smaller than the traditional implant.
This is essentially, it almost replaces the gums as well. You kind of pop it right on top of everything. And this just goes straight into your gum.
Yes, and since it's much smaller, it's going to be less invasive. It feels more comfortable, more natural.
Yeah.
Also, you can taste your foods better, and you can see it's much more cosmetic.
And this, I mean, not just mature adults have to deal with this. Cancer patients end up having major dental complications after treatment.
Yes.
And this is great for them as well, and for trauma patients as well.
Yes, much more kind and gentle. It's much less invasive, so it's much more comfortable.
I got to say, your voice makes it comfortable as well. It just lulls you into like some sort of comfort. It's great. Who's your typical patient that you see walk in?
I have two groups of typical patients. One patient comes in and they don't want their teeth anymore. They've had a lifetime of spending time and money in the dental office, and they've had a history of tooth pain, headaches, infection, gum infections, all kinds of things they can't take anymore, so they want their teeth taken out. So they look forward to, they come to us for fixed teeth to dental implants to solve their problem. The second group is people that want to save their teeth. So they just need regular general dental care to preserve their gum and bone to keep their teeth in place. Things to restore and keep their teeth, fillings, crowns, root canals, traditional things.
Of course.
And lastly, for those that can't keep their teeth, we do take their teeth out and we restore it with traditional things like bridges, partials, dentures, the old-fashioned way, or the new way with the fixed teeth to dental implants.
Absolutely. We're going to talk about the way to put yourself in the best case scenario to be able to have this being done. We'll talk about that in a second. But first, let's hear from one of your patients that has gotten this done.
Sure, okay.
Let's take a listen.
I was dealing with having missing teeth. I just didn't have them, and it left me with gaps, and and my confidence went down. We talked to Dr. Chen, and he gave us some recommendations as for mini implants, and by the time I have my implants put in, it was around my graduation, and I could smile in my graduation, in my senior photos, and I actually cried when I saw my senior photos, and it wasn't for any other reason other than the fact that I just thought I actually looked pretty, and it was partly because I had a smile that I was happy with, and I get so many compliments. People are like, "You have such a nice smile," and it's like, "It's beautiful," and I'm always like, "Thanks, Dr. Chin," because it wouldn't have happened without him. I know it wouldn't have.
See, that's fantastic. I've having dental issues myself in the past. It changes the way you smile, the way you look at yourself in the mirror. When you have a beautiful smile again, it's like you're reborn.
Yeah, great.
It really is incredible. So how do we put ourselves in the best position to kind of prepare our gums to be ready for you?
Three things. Number one would be to have early examination and treatment planning and early treatment. So you have to preserve your bone and teeth to make it easier as far as outcome.
So that make sure the foundation's good.
The second thing I think would be the same, to have the same doctor that's going to place the implants to take out the teeth also.
Gotcha.
Because he or she can see your bone right there. The product, the outcome's going to be a lot better.
No question.
And the last thing is have the office treatment plan in a minimally invasive fashion. You don't have to have your whole mouth done at one time. You can have half or a section. It's going to make it much more comfortable for the body, much more comfortable.
Rather than having an entire mouth.
Yes.
Yeah, of course. We have about 15 seconds left. Do you have a special offer?
We do. We have a we have a match program. One person's going to receive 50% off on their treatment.
Nice, fantastic.
Yeah. And we have a complimentary, naturally, examination, CT scan, consultation to determine if they'd be a good candidate.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
The number one website are on your screen. Dr. Chen, it's
thank
great
you.
having you.
Thank
you
you
so much.
Thank
See, it's
you.
incredible. You get to smile again. And here's the deal. If you got the insurance benefits, use them before the end of the year. Call them today. You can also visit vegasminis.com. Vegas Dental Experts in Mini Dental Implant Center of Las Vegas. They're a proud sponsor of the Morning Blend.